I keep getting asked, how do I use my Bach Flower remedies? And I just wanted to put a quick video on here to help you out with that. So the Bach Flower remedies come in 38 little individual bottles that you can order online, or you can find them in good health food stores. So you want to be taking 2 drops from this little bottle here. So it's got a little dropper, so you see the level of remedy that's in there. So you're going to be taking 2 drops of that remedy, and you're going to be putting it into a 30 ml mixing bottle. Now, mixing bottles don't have to be blue, but you can just put 2 drops into your mixing bottle, and with that you would actually then add spring water or mineral water, depending on what you have handy. In our home we have filtered water from the fridge, so I tend to just use that. And then you will use this bottle 4 drops 4 times a day. So we add 2 drops, I think that's back to front, 2 drops of each remedy into this mixing bottle, and we use it 4 drops 4 times a day. Okay, it's very simple. Individual stock bottles, 2 drops from this into this, and we can mix up to 7 remedies, different remedies, to make our mixture. And then we take this bottle 4 drops 4 times a day, okay, until it's done. And when we are getting close to the remedy being done, we assess how we're feeling. Bach Flower remedies are for self-help, and I'm trying to put out information there to help people use them by themselves.